Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Red flag warnings are in place this afternoon, and some of these will continue even through 5 p.m. tomorrow east of the Cascades in Klamath and Lake County. There's two reasons why we have these red flag warnings. The first is right now, this afternoon into early this evening, we have some very gusty winds out of the southwest, gusting as high as 40 miles per hour is the potential. And then we also have some very low humidity. So that's creating that extreme fire behavior right now with the Cougar Peak fire. But then there's also the thunderstorm threat. That's going to be more of an issue as we head into tonight on into tomorrow. And that is why much of the region is under these red flag warnings that go until 9 a.m. tomorrow for areas in eastern portions of Jackson County as well as Siskiyou County. But the thunderstorm threat will linger longer tomorrow in Klamath and Lake counties. Abundant lightning is the concern that we could get some new wildfire starts. Also, storms tonight into tomorrow will be capable of some stronger winds, even stronger gusts than 40 miles per hour. So we'll be watching that very closely. Very spotty shower activity, a few isolated thunderstorms. Now, a lot of this is fighting some very dry air, so not a lot of this is reaching the ground, but that will change tonight. Humidity levels will come up and we'll have the potential for some wetting rains, especially along and east of the Cascades into tomorrow. Starting to see the Cougar Peak fire tamp down just a bit, but still producing quite a plume of smoke. We're not seeing the lightning that we were earlier. Tracking some thunderstorms off to the north and east of Crescent. This is going to be into the Lapine area. Underneath some of these heavier storms, that's where we could start to see the rain actually reach the ground and get some downpours going. Temperatures, meanwhile, it is another pretty warm day, if not hot, with temperatures pushing 90 in Medford, 88 in Grants Pass, above average for this time of the year. Cooler temperatures along the coast. Down in Siskiyou County, 86 in Montague, 90 in Mount Shasta, and then east of the Cascades, we're looking at temperatures right now well into the 80s. 86 in Paisley, 86 in Lakeview, and we're up to 90 right now in Klamath Falls. Check out these winds starting to really get gusty, sustained between about 10 to 20 miles per hour with some higher gusts above 20 miles per hour. With the winds picking up around the region, we've seen some improvements in air quality now into the Rogue Valley. Moderate to unhealthy for sensitive groups, moderate in the Mount Shasta area, but still unhealthy for places like Shady Cove, Chiloquin, as well as Wairika. Unhealthy for sensitive groups in Lakeview. So tonight, showers and thunderstorms will become more numerous, and we expect a band of rain, heavier rain and storms to develop. Check out Stormcast. This is around midnight. Notice as you head near the Cascades, we're seeing bands of rain and thunderstorms developing, and this is all going to kind of come together into a pretty intense line of rain and thunderstorms rolling through Klamath and Lake County as we head through Friday morning, through tomorrow morning. And then as we go through the rest of the day, maybe just a few pop-up showers and storms primarily east of the Cascades and along the Cascades. Otherwise, cooler and breezy for tomorrow. A high of 79 in Medford, 73 in Klamath Falls. The wet weather west of the Cascades is primarily going to be very early tomorrow morning. The good news for tomorrow afternoon, notice how the smoke gets pushed out of the Rogue Valley and points to the west. So at this point, it's looking pretty good for high school football tomorrow evening. Temperatures in the 70s, but smoke will be more of an issue still in Northern California and areas east of the Cascades. The coast, sunnier skies this weekend, warmer temperatures as well. For Northern California, we'll be looking at showers and thunderstorms likely tonight into early tomorrow. Smoky skies expected for this weekend with highs in the 80s. For the Klamath Basin, rain and thunderstorms into tomorrow morning, and then the chance for some more storms tomorrow afternoon. One or two of those could be strong to severe. The Cascades and Siskiyous will be looking at some pretty unsettled weather into tomorrow. Cooler temperatures, but smoke will be an issue for this weekend, and we're looking at smoky skies returning to the Rogue Valley this weekend, but highs will be pretty pleasant with highs in the 80s.
All right, thank you very much, Matt.
Yeah.
Some heartbreaking news